Hello students. Today we are going to start new chapter in English language, chapter number 16, transformation of assertive sentences into indirect speech. Okay. What is speech? Speech is a statement of words or conversation of a speaker. Conversation can be between two people or as many as possible. Telling or addressing words of speaker is known as narration. Those words can be narrated in a few ways, and those ways are covered under this topic. Let's have a look at different types of speech. Speech is also called narrations. Okay. Types of speech. First one is your direct speech, second is your indirect speech. Okay, now come to the definition. As words itself describe that direct and indirect speech are opposite to each other. Today's lesson is focused for new learners who want to learn direct indirect speech in easy way. We start with definition. Okay, we go with examples. We proceeded with question answers and our support with US no and limits. What is direct speech? Direct words means no any alternative way, and speech means telling. So saying exact words as told by someone is direct speech. Let's make it simple. If I said that I have many friends and Robert explains it to Richard, quoting same words with my reference as admin said I have many friends, it is direct speech because no change is made with my words. Now let's learn definition of direct speech. It says direct speech is the form of speech where you can convey the exact statement of a person in his own words. Okay, hopefully you have understood. Okay, now come to the example. First example, he said to me, you are not ill. Okay, I will say to teacher, I have remembered lesson. Okay, the direct speech sentence has two parts. First is reporting speech and second one is reported speech. Okay, words used before inverted commas are the reporting speech. It is part of sentence which shows conversation background. As in above example, reporting speech tells context of a story that conversation was happened between him and myself. For example, reporting speech I said to him, and reported speech is I am unwell today. Okay, now come to the indirect speech. What is indirect speech? Indirect speech is a form of speech where a person conveys his experience of some specific event, situation, or refers to a person in his own words. It is written without quotation marks. It was because now come to the example. Admin said to me that he was my friends. It is now indirect speech because words are not exact. He used suitable pronouns and my exact words with exact pronouns are not narrated. Okay. For example, he told me that I was not ill. This is also the example of indirect speech. Okay. Some main points are: first, in indirect speech, comma will replaced with to, if, that, etc. Okay, the reported speech will not be covered in inverted commas or quotation marks because words are not exactly as quoted. Reporting verb, for example, said, will be replaced with told, commanded, ordered, advised, replied, admitted, inquired, or insisted, etc. Please note that reporting verb is not verb used in reporting speech of direct speech. And last one is first person pronoun is converted into third person pronoun. Okay. Now come to the some changes in reported speech. In direct speech, I is changed into he or she. Me is changed in indirect speech him or her. My change is his or her. We change is with in indirect speech they. There are many ways. Okay. Thank you, class.